Hi, my name is Lisa Pulliam. I did my communication theory paper on hand gestures. And what I found through the articles that I was reading was if you have a mental illness such as schizophrenia, it is not likely that you'll appropriately interpret hand gestures or facial expressions depending on the situation. One example given in the article was if there was an expression of sexual interest, hand gestures were appropriately translated, whereas facial expressions were not. Now we're going to transition into something a little different, which is the development of the understanding of hand gestures. So one of the studies has shown that children grow and develop in their understanding. So at 6 months, there is some recognition that goes on that, oh, they kind of know what they're doing. And between 9 to 10 months, there's more intentional gesturing going on where there's an association with them, not just that the baby needs something. From 11 months onward, there's a understanding that this gesture means that, and there's an awareness of looking for, is that the right thing to do from adults. As people develop, their understanding of hand gestures grows. So what they found is in late adolescence, they're not likely to understand an angry hand gesture, whereas an adult would. If something happens like a brain injury, it can affect people's ability to properly produce hand gestures that people can understand or that match the communication that they're doing. One reason why we use hand gestures is to communicate location information. So a person will draw out a map and say, you turn right and go left and then point here, and maybe even draw a circle or an X to show you what area they're talking about. And that concludes pretty much everything I learned about hand gestures.